I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Mazda 3 window switch. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Most importantly, have your new replacement window switch ready. Having these items on hand will make the repair process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Now let's remove the old switch panel. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry up the panel from the door armrest. Work slowly to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing the small release tabs. There are typically one or two main connectors. If your switch module has small screws, remove those now to fully detach the old unit. With the old switch removed, it's time to install your new one. First, connect the electrical harness to the new window switch. Listen for a distinct click to confirm each connector is securely attached. Next, carefully align the new switch module with the opening in your door panel. Make sure it sits flush and all mounting points are correctly positioned before proceeding to the next step. Before we finish, let's test the new switch. Turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position and test every window function. Ensure each window moves up and down smoothly and consistently. Once you confirm everything works perfectly, gently press the switch panel back into the door armrest. Apply even pressure until it clicks securely into place, completing your repair. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.